y'all doing? Oh my god, it's been literally a whole month since I last filmed a video, and there's reasons why. Today we are gonna do a slick back hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys my updated makeup routine. I have work in 2 hours, so I need to leave in half an hour, and I still need to like cut myself lunch and put on my shirt because I need to iron my shirt because it's wrinkled, and then dip. But anyways, it's been a while since I last filmed a video. Honestly, I've been filming videos, but nothing was working out. Like, I would lose footage on accident, or I didn't like the footage, and then I would just get frustrated and not post anything. So eventually I got tired of it and was like, you know what, I'm not gonna post at all last month. I'm just gonna take this time to kind of like focus, do some TikTok videos and whatnot. Basically, I took a little break from YouTube. Even though I don't post that much, I was just getting so frustrated, and I've always been told to walk away from something when you're getting frustrated. So that's what I did. Life has been weird. I'm working more, I'm doing more TikToks. Just life has just been so weird. Honestly, I've been kind of like hitting like a rut with like video ideas for YouTube as well. Like, it wasn't just like content was just not working out. It was also like I had no idea what I wanted to film. But I feel like because now that it's fall, I have stuff that I can work with, because there's just so much stuff coming up for me this month that I can't be posting like 10-minute videos on TikTok or Reels of said content. So I have a lot of stuff coming up this month that I'm excited to share for the fall season. But I really want to get more consistent with YouTube, but I think I just need to rethink my niche and what I want to put out on YouTube. So I need to go over that. I need to sit down and plan a whole month's worth of videos. I have a video that I'm gonna upload that I'm gonna be doing Saturday, and then I have another video that's happening the following weekend. And then I have some ideas, just like I feel like I need more time to plan them. That's what we're gonna do tomorrow though. I feel like if I'm not organized and I don't know what I'm recording or filming, then things don't turn out how I pictured it or how I want them to, and then I get frustrated and just not film at all. So that's why I figured I would do something simple right now to get back into the groove of things, instead of like trying to plan videos and it not work out. Because there's one thing that always works out for me, and it's get readies with me. Now is when we get into the makeup. So I did skin prep last night, soaked into the skin, but to prepare to have more like a nice seamless base, I'm gonna go with my Rhode glazing milk. I love this stuff. I go in with my Refi primer, and I just like warm it up in my hands, and then I apply it to the skin. Now I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter and apply it all over the skin. So nothing's been like really going on for me lately. Like I said, I just been like busy with work, filming videos for like TikTok, trying to take care of my health, and that's pretty much it. Like, I have nothing going on that much really. But this month is my birthday month. I am a Libra. My birthday is next weekend, and I have lots of stuff planned for the month of October. Like, for example, I am going to the fair this weekend, and so I have like a couple of videos that I want to do. Like, I want to do like a fit check, a get ready with me, a vlog. So like, I have videos that I want to upload, just freaking I don't plan them and then it doesn't work out, or if I do plan them, something happens and it still doesn't work out. So we're gonna try to meet somewhere in the middle where I semi-plan them but I semi-don't. And then next week is my birthday, and next weekend I am going to the pumpkin patch, and then that Sunday after my birthday I am going to Yosemite. So we have content planned. It's just sometimes I think what really gets me is when I want to do like sit down videos. Those are the videos that never works out. My vlogs are usually fine. One time last month I filmed a vlog and I did lose the footage on accident because I accidentally deleted it without realizing it. And so I never uploaded that vlog. But mostly what I have a hard time with is my sit down videos. So I think I'm really gonna take some time today or tomorrow and like sit down and plan my sit down videos, like each and everything, like what I want to film, what I want to talk about. When I don't do that is when things don't work out and then I get frustrated. So we're gonna do something different and try to see if that helps my issue. After blending all that in, I like to go with my Say Beauty Slip Tint. What I don't do is, like, I've always like done this in my Get Ready With Me, and I don't know if you guys remember, but I never apply any product other than my concealer underneath my eyes, because I've noticed when I have like foundation or primer, it just makes it look more, it just separates more, and then I get more like my fine lines show when the more product that's underneath my under eyes. So I've learned not to apply anything else right there other than my concealer. But I've been doing this like makeup look where I apply my concealer after I've already applied my bronzer, and I'm absolutely loving it. Which is why I'm like, I'm gonna show you guys my updated makeup routine, because it's definitely changed since the last time I'd done this. Not too much, but like the way I apply my makeup, some products that I started using. So I make sure to blend as much as possible before I go into the next step. But for this part, I go with my Tik Tok bronzer and contour duo. What I like to do is go with the powder first, and then I go over it with the cream. One step that I added into my routine is where I apply it to the jaw as well. Add more of a sun-kissed glow, as well as to make me look more chiseled. Now we're going to do the cream and just apply right over the bronzer. Okay, this is the part where I go in with the concealer now. I take my NARS concealer in the shade Macadamia, a little dot to the inner corner, because this is very pigmented and little goes a long way. My handy dandy beauty blender, wet it a little bit, and then I go in and blend out the concealer. Don't mind the that sound. I know you're probably like picking up like a running water sound. My mom has the sprinkler on outside in our backyard to water our fruit trees, and so that's what you're hearing. I go in with my Makeup by Mario cream blush in Rose Crush, and I apply it to the cheekbones. So this part's not really different. I've always done this part. I go in with the cream, and then I go in with the powder right after. Do the same for this side. And then what I've been doing is kind of like applying it to my nose as well. More of that like toasty sun-kissed look. And then this part, I go with my Say Beauty powder blush in Grazie. I just take a little bit to the brush, and then I apply it to the same areas where I applied the cream the cream blush. And then to the nose. In this part, I go with my Huda Beauty setting powder in Cherry Blossom Cake to set not only the under eyes but the makeup as a whole. Just do a little bit right here, thing on the other side. Now I'm gonna do my lip liner, and I'm gonna using the Say Beauty lip liner in the shade Tease. So I just outline the lips like so. So I've been loving more of like a matte look lately. So I've been going in with my One Size Beauty mattifying waterproof setting spray. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. Alright, so very simple, mostly because I'm doing a lot of crafts today, so I just didn't want to wear clothes that were gonna get messed up. So I wore clothes I didn't really care about. So yeah, so stay tuned for more videos to come this month. I promise I will be uploading more now that I have an idea, and then now that I've shared what's going to be happening this month. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.